we have cheer shouts tomorrow, so judge us, guys. So first we're going to start with Let's Go Eagles.
Okay.
Are you ready? Let's go, Eagles. Let's go. Let's go, Eagles. Let's go. Now we have victory.
Oh, this is choking me. Okay. Go.
Press that V, dot the I, got that C-T-O-R-Y. It's victory for the Eagles. Then we have G-O. Let's go. Let's go. Are you ready?
3, 2.
G-O. Let's go. Let's go. G-O. Let's go. And then we
Whose house?
Whose house? That's
Which is
our
our
favorite,
favorite.
guys. Okay, you ready?
3, 2, 1.
Whose house? Our house. Because we are O-H-S.
When I go out, you'll go in. Okay.
Okay, anyway, guys, it doesn't matter.